The title of my story, called The Big Hit. Logline: in the quiet town of San Lorenzo, life moves slowly. Fishermen sail at dawn. Children play near the shore, and family gathered for dinner by sunset. But beneath the calm sea lies a terrible force waiting to strike. Setting: small sea town in the Philippines. Beginning: as the tsunami sirens wall the townspeople rush to the evacuation point in the mountains. Middle: Leah and Mang Tony return to Risco Gabi, only to find Aling Rosa trapped. With the time running out, they must choose between escape and sacrifice. And the tsunami crashed into the town, leaving devastation in its wake. But through courage and unity, many are saved. In the final scene, Leah plants a sign near the rebel school. Ang kalikasan ay dapat igalang, hindi labanan. Characters: Leah Bautista, a 25 years old marine biology student, smart and brave but emotionally distant from her father. Mang Tony, Leah Bautista's father, a fisherman who stayed in town. While Leah studied in the city, he carries guilt from his wife's death years ago. Aling Rosa, a kind old neighbor who refused to leave her home despite the danger. Gabo, Leah's playful 10 years old brother, curious about full of life. Team: nature power versus human resilience. Family reconciliation. Community unity in times of crisis. Warning signs and preparedness. Who will watch this? People who enjoy watching intense movie. That's all. Thank you.